A warm welcome to my dear 5th standard students. I am your Max Sandhya from Bharatidasa Matriculation Higher Secondary School, going to teach 5th standard Max 4th lesson. So you all know what is our 4th lesson name. Our 4th lesson name is fractions. What does mean by fractions? Fractions means that is parts of the whole. The form of fraction is P by Q. And today we are going to see fractions related addition and subtraction problem with unlike denominator, with unlike denominators. So listen here, addition and subtractions of a fraction with unlike denominators. First step, to add or subtract two fractions with unlike denominators, first we convert them into fractions with a like denominators. So what does mean by like fractions? Very good. Like fractions means the fraction with the denominators are same, like 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. So these are all called the like fraction. Okay. So first step you are going to convert into like fractions. So that they are given like denominators. This can be done by multiplying the numerator and denominator by the same number. Multiplying numerator and denominator by the same number. Now listen my children, now we are going to see the exercise 4F related problems. The first topic is fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks, try to calculate only in the mind. So first we have 2 minus 1, 1 by 2. So now tell me kitana 1, 1 by 2. So what is the fraction name? Very good. The fraction name is mixed fractions. What does mean by mixed fractions? Is mixed fraction means the combination of whole number and then one proper fraction. Here 1 is there, 1 is called the whole number and 1 by 2 is there, 1 by 2 is also called the proper fraction. What is that? Proper fraction. So first in this mixed fraction you are going to convert into improper fraction. So take 1, 1 by 2, 1, 1 by 2. Right. So this is mixed fraction. In this mixed fraction you are going to convert into improper fraction. So you all know what is the formula for that? D into W plus N divided by D. What is that? D into denominator into whole number plus numerator divided by denominator. Denominator into whole number plus numerator divided by denominator. Here what is the numerator value? Very good. The numerator value is 1. Then what is the denominator value? The denominator value is 2. Then what is the whole number value? Here the whole number value is 1. So write W equal to 1. So now we are going to substitute in that formula. So denominator value is 2 into W. So W means that is 1. Write here 1 plus 1 divided by 2. So we got the answer 2 ones are 2. 2 plus 1, the answer is 3 by 2. Yes, we solve to 1 by 2 equal to 3 by 2. 1 by 2 equal to what is the answer? The answer will be 3 by 2. Now we are going to take the question. The question we have 2 minus 3 by 2. 2 minus 3 by 2. So listen my children, you should consider we have a numerator value means in denominator value you should consider that is 1. Okay, so we don't have any denominator value here. So you should consider here 1. Okay, so take 2 divided by 1. Now what is the LCM of 2 and 1? Very good. The LCM of 2 and 1 is 2. Right. So now we are going to see here. Take a 2 by 1. Here you will write the LCM of 2 and 1 is LCM of 2 and 1 equal to 2. So what is the LCM of 2 and 1? The LCM of 2 and 1 equal to 2. Now you should change the denominator value will be 2. So take a 2 by 1 both a numerator and denominator multiply by the same number. So 2 2s are 4, 1 2s are 2. 2 2s are 4 and 1 2s are 2. Next you are going to take a 3 by 2. Now we need the denominator value will be 2. We are going to check. So what number should be multiplied by 2 to get the product as 2? Yes, very good. That is 1 only. So write both numerator and denominator multiply by the same number. 2 1s are 2 and 3 1s are 3. Now take the answer 4 by 2 minus 3 by 2. Why? Because here we have the symbol is minus. So take 4 by 2 minus 3 by 2. Listen children, we got the same denominator. Now we are going to subtract the numerator values. Here we have the numerator values are 4 minus 3. So take 4 minus 3 divided by 2. Now tell me Manimoran, what is the answer 4 minus 3? Yes, very good. Just show your 4 fingers and fold 3 fingers. Remaining how many fingers are there? Yes, only 1 finger. So the answer is 1 by 2. What is the answer? 1 by 2. So finally you should write the answer 1 divided by 2. 1 divided by 2. So this is our answer. Next we have the question 6 minus 3 by 5. Okay. So one whole number and then minus we have a one proper fraction. So first you are going to take the LCM of 5 and 1. So take a 6 minus 3 by 5. 6 minus 3 by 5. So here the denominator values are 1 and 5. What is the denominator value? The denominator values are 1 and 5. Here you are going to take the LCM of 1 and 5. What is the LCM of 1 and 5? Yes, very good. The LCM of 1 and 5 is 5 only. So write here LCM of 1 and 5. So here the LCM of 1 and 5 is 5. Now you should change the denominator value will be 5. Take the first fraction. We have the first fraction is 6 divided by 1. We need here the denominator value will be 5. So now we are going to check. So what number should be multiplied by 1 to get the product as 5? Yes, very good. That is 5 only. So here both a numerator and denominator value you should multiply by 5 and 5. So multiply by 5 and multiply by 5. 1 5s are 5, 6 5s are 30. 1 5s are 5 and 6 5s are 30. So write here 30. 30 divided by 5. And next we have the second fraction is 3 by 5. Take 3 by 5. Here too the denominator value will be 5. So you should multiply by both numerator and denominator by 1. Take 1 and 1. 5 1s are 5, 3 1s are 3. 5 1s are 5 and 3 1s are 3. So listen my children, we got both denominator values are same. 30 by 5 and then 3 by 5. Take 30 divided by 5 minus 3 divided by 5. We got the same denominator value. We have the numerator values are 30 and 3. Now we are going to subtract this. The denominator value is 5. The numerator values are 30 minus 3. 30 minus 3. So take a 30 minus 3. 30 minus 3 the answer will be 27 by 5. So this is called the improper fraction. In this improper fraction, now we are going to convert into mixed fraction. So while doing improper fraction to mixed fractions means there you are going to do the division. Take a 27 divided by 5. Now tell me Kiran, 5 table have 27? No, it is not possible. Why? Because 5 table we have 25 and then 30, right? So here you will take a 5 5s are 25. 5 5s are 25. Now we are going to subtract this. While subtracting time, first you will take a ones place value, then you will take a tens place value. Here the ones place values are 7 and 5. 7 minus 5, the answer is 2. And then 2 minus 2, the answer is 0. Now you will see this. Here the quotient value is 5. A remainder value is 2. Then that a divisor value is 5. Listen children, improper fraction convert into mixed fraction means we have one formula is there. The formula is QR divided by D. Quotient, a remainder and then divisor. What is that? Q or divided by D. Quotient, remainder and then divisor. Here what is the quotient value? The quotient value is 5. So write here 5. Then what is the remainder value? The remainder value is 2. So write 2. Then finally the divisor value is 5. So write 5. Our final answer is 5 2 by 5. Listen here, 5 5s are 25. 25 plus 2, the answer is 27 divided by 5. Listen children, in this session you have learned addition and subtraction related unlike denominators. Addition and subtraction unlike denominators. I hope everyone enjoyed this session. In this below description we have a study material, question bank and self-assessment work. So my dear students, do all the self-assessment work. If you have any doubt, just go through this video. Thank you.